I have two teams. Two teams. I will run for two teams. Okay, and you have 7, 8. You make 4 games every time. 1 day, 2 days. 1 day, 2 games. Okay, 8 games then. 8 teams.
20%. 10
Okay.
and 10.
Okay, I will send you now and add for us. Fix the schedule. Half, yes.
All accessories. All accessories. Remove all accessories. Anas, you remove that t-shirt. Anas. You're playing football? Our next game, Yasser versus UAE. Mana? First position of UAE, De La Cruz. Abose, too strong, rebound by Dazzle. Paris. Nice pass, Anas. Nice pass outside, too strong. Cadiz. 2-0. De La Cruz, in and out. Anas. Anas to Rolex. Pass to Khalil, nice pass. What a selfish play coming from Khalil. De La Cruz. Pass to La Figuera. Too strong, rebound by Khalil. Khalil to Cadiz to Rolex. Oh! Rolex turnover by Yassel. 8 minutes 49 seconds. Still 4-0 our score. Favor up. Yassel. Amarias. Looking for De La Cruz. Smiling De La Cruz. De La Cruz again. De La Cruz. Pass to Kabuse. Kabuse escape. Kabuse strong move. In and up again, rebound by Khalil to Cadiz. Cadiz all the way, Cadiz. Now 6-0. 6-point lead by Russell. La Figuera. Pass to Labarias. Labarias looking for De La Cruz. De La Cruz. Time to shoot. La Figuera. Nice make. La Figuera side set to De La Cruz. Time to shoot. Rebound by Labarias again. Pass to La Figuera. Again too strong. Rebound by Mabub. 7 minutes 50 seconds. 6-0 our score. Rolex. Back to Rolex. Pop-up jumper. Rolex. Time out. On UA. Our score 8-0. Favor of Hassel. De La Cruz. Let's go for De La Cruz. To La Figuera. Pass to Domingo. 10 to shoot. De La Cruz again. De La Cruz drive to nice pass to Kabuse. Kabuse 5 to shoot. Kabuse. Cadiz. Try by De La Cruz. Domingo. Intercepted by Domingo. Domingo again. Intercepted by Cadiz. UAE ball. Nice defense by the UAE. 6 minutes 50 seconds. 8-2 our score. 6-point lead by Hassel. De La Cruz. Short. Rebound by block by Khalil. 14 to shoot to set clock. 14. La Figuera. Whoa! Turnover on UAE. Rolex. Turnover, back-to-back turnover. by both teams. UAE and Hassel. La Figuera to Kabusi. Domingo, escape, back to Kabusi, Kabusi. Too strong, rebound by Khalil to Anas. Domingo. Wow! Nice pass to Anas, Anas. Too strong, rebound by La Figuera. Nice pass to La Barrias.
Hey, defense!
8 to 4, 4-point lead na by Hassel. Anas to Rolex. Whoa! Too strong. To De La Cruz.
Dahan!
De La Cruz to La Figuera, La Figuera. Short, rebound by Cadiz. Cadiz now, attack, Cadiz, dive, coast to coast. Cadiz pass to Rolex, Rolex. Rolex pa Anas, Anas! Yes! On Anas! 10 to 4, 6-point lead na by Hassel.
Kaya pa yan?
De La Cruz. Pass to Kabusi. Kabusi now. Stop, pump. Kabusi. Kabusi to La Figuera. La Figuera. 10 to shoot. Steal by Rolex. Rolex. Tasukali. Same ball. Nice defense by La Figuera. 4 minutes, 40 seconds.
Pre, pasok ka na. Ikaw lang kailangan dyan.
10 to 4. 6-point lead by Hassel. Rolex. In and out. Rebound by La Figuera. La Figuera to Domingo. It's 3-on-1. La Figuera. Domingo. In and out. Rebound by Anas. Anas. Turnover on Hassel. 3 minutes 50 seconds. Kabusi, escape. Kabusi to Labarias, same spot, too strong. Kabusi can rebound, Khalil. Labarias. De La Cruz. De La Cruz, De La Cruz. Looking for La Figuera. Bang, 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 bang. Oh, La Figuera. Now, 3-point lead by Hassel. 3 minutes until. Rolex on the way, goes to coast. Rebound by Anas. Anas again. Stop. Anas now. Same ball. Same ball. 14 to shoot. 3 minutes, 15 seconds. 7 to 10. 3-point lead by Hassel. Rolex. Khalil. Khalil, look shot. Khalil, block by Kabusi. Foul. Foul on number 24 on Khalil. First on Khalil, first team foul on Hassel. 2 minutes 50 seconds, 7-10 our score. 3-point lead by Hassel. Kabusi again, big. Kabusi drive, zigzag, toes rose. Nice, Labarias! Yes, on Labarias! Pass from Kabusi. Wow! Turnover again by Hassel. Time out on Hassel.
Usap na lang kayo.
De La Cruz. Too strong. Nice pass. Out short. Anas again. Oh! Anas! 12 to 9. 3-point lead by Hassel. Kabusi. Off Kabusi. 1 minute 50 seconds. Cadiz drive. Cadiz coast to coast. Too strong. Rebound by Kabusi. Kabusi again. Kabusi stop. Kabusi foul. Foul on number 22 on Rolex. Second team foul on Nasel person Rolex. Now 12 all. 1 minute 30 seconds. Rolex. Tuanas. Third ball. Rebound by Kabusi. Kabusi goes to goal. Pass to Domingo. Domingo to throw. Rebound by Kabusi. Kabusi scoop. Yes, Kabusi. Now 2-point lead by UAE. 14-12. Change favor. Cadiz, Cadiz Kabusi. Nice move by Cadiz. Inanap, rebound by De La Cruz. De La Cruz. It's 3-2. De La Cruz. Pass to La Peguera. La Peguera stop up. Nice fake. La Peguera to Domingo. Domingo. Too strong. Rebound by Rolex. Rolex to Anas. Anas drive. Anas stop up. Looking for his teammates. 45 seconds. Just spot up. Foul on Domingo. First on UAE. First team foul on Domingo. 40 seconds. 15-12. 3-point lead by UAE. Khalil. Khalil again. Foul. Foul on number 22 Kabusi. First on Kabusi, second team foul on UAE.
We are all for
28 seconds. Marias. 15. Oh, Kabusi. 10 seconds.
Good job, Kabusi!
5. 2 seconds. 2.
Nice Kabusi defense, nice defense. 2 seconds.
Too strong. Rebound by Cabana. Cabana to Kaku. And out. Oh, rebound by Angelo. 19-12. 7-point lead now by UAE. Kalachuchi. Asto Malayos. Black foul. Foul on Cabana. First on Cabana, first team foul on UAE.
Kailangan dalawang kaitan mo sa
13-9. Back to 6-point lead by UAE. Angelo. To Sak drive, post to go, Sak, too strong, rebound by Parteñas. Intercept by Simbako. To Malajos. Malahos to, intercept by Sak. Angelo now to Sak out! Intercepted by Kalachuchi. Stop, Kalachuchi dive, Kalachuchi! Di ba by Simbako? Simbako to Angelo now to Simbako. Pass to Cabana. Oh, steal by Parteñas. Parteñas to Kalachuchi. Kalachuchi pump, nice drive, goes to go, strong move, pow, Defensive foul on the big guy of number 10 on Hassel.
Saka! Alam mo yan, yung lapit mo sa Oh, yan na! That's it!
Simbako to Cabana. Aku traveling violation against Kaku. 19-13 score, 6-point lead steal by UA. Arteñas, dibantay Castro. Black by Sak. Steal by Kaku. Kaku to Cabana. Cabana, coast to coast. Cabana, nice defense by Calachuche. Marteñas to Calachuche. Calachuche again. Calachuche to Malajos. Malajos. Too strong. Rebound by the big guy. Yes. Oh, warning on Hassel for the game. Nice shot coming from Bautista. Our score 19-15, 4-point lead by UA. Simbako, short, rebound by Castro. Castro Pardeñas, Pardeñas to Bautista, too strong. Rebound by Sak, carried by Calachuche to Cabana. It's 3-3, Cabana stop up. Cabana too strong, rebound by Simbako. Oh, Tipio Bautista again, Bautista to Pardeñas. Nice move, Black by Sak. Black again by Sak. Back to back Black by the big guy Sak. Cabana to Kago stop up. Too strong, Simbako. Carried by Bautista, Simbako. Nice defense by Bautista. Calachuche again. Calachuche to Pardeñas, fake. Foul. Foul on number 9. Timeout on Hassel. Score 19-15. 5-point lead by UA. Inbounding Castro to Calachuche. Nice move by Calachuche. Left one-sided, too strong. Rebound by Bautista to Castro. Foul. Foul on number 0. Sak. 13 foul on UAE. 13 foul. First on Sak. Nice shot by Castro. 16-19. 3-point lead now. UAE. 5 minutes. In and out. Rebound by Simbako. Pass to power, Sak now, acting point guard. Nice move, Sak. Nice steal by Pardeñas to Calachuche. Yes, on Calachuche. Timeout, UA. Inbounding Simbako. Our score 19 against 18. 1-point lead by UAE. Angelo. Guarded by Calachuche. To Simbako. Intercepted by Pardeñas. Sak. To Cabana. 10 to shoot. Bang on Cabana. 22-18, back to 4-point lead by UAE. Calachuche, guarded by Castro move, and one by Castro. Foul on number 8 on Simbako. Warning for penalty on UAE. First on Simbako. 21-22. 1-point lead back to UAE. 4 minutes. Steal. Cabana again. Cabana. 14 to shoot. Calachuchi, nice move! Castro, attack! Nice defense by Isaac. Castro, pow! Basket down and one by Castro!
Too much drama! Too much drama, Zach!
Score boss Mike?
22-23, 1 point lead now by Hassel.
Ipapagpag lang yan. Ayan. Kulang lang sa higpit. Chili paste at chili paste. Kulang sa higpit. Bigyan mo sili.
Pasok isa, pasok.
Wag,
Hindi ka naman makapasok.
Mike!
Pasok sino? Warning on UAE for delaying the game. Warning on UAE. Kafu. Foul on Calachuchi. Warning for penalty on Hassel. First on Calachuchi. 3 minutes.
Patay oras. Padali.
10 to shoot. Foul. Foul on Bautista. Penalty. Warning. Both teams now in penalty. Both teams in penalty. Calachuchi. Pass to Bautista. Nice pick. Castro. Foul. Foul on Simbaco. Penalty. Second on Simbaco. Sure.
Pre, pasok ka tayo, pre.
Hindi pa nakakalaro.
2 minutes.
Relax lang, bye.
23 to 22. 1 point lead by Hassel.
Lapit, kuhay mo na.
14 to shoot. Foul.
Dalawa.
Foul number 19.
Foul on number 19 on Pardeñas. First on Pardeñas. Both teams now penalty.
1 minute na lang. Relax. Wala pinuntahan ko rito eh. Wala boy. Isa lang lamang nila. Hoy, isa pa! Nice.
Violation.
Atras ka! Yan. Asin, tingin mo! Salaksak yan!
Bang! Wala Joe! Bang, bang, bang! 26 to 22. 4-point lead na by Hassel. Dukul! De La Cruz. Steal by Bautista. To Galachuchis for 1. Bobby Pardeñas. Yes, sir! Pardeñas. 50 seconds. Bigay! Wow! Jumong! 30 seconds!
Ibrahan ka na tres yan!
20 seconds!
All shot!
18!
Okay lang kasi hindi lang yung labak. Dalawa lang yung labak. Apat pa lang.
10 seconds!
Nashot tayo eh. Nashot yan!
5. And number third quarter score 28 against 20. Kabusi. The ball rebound by Padua. Padua. Nice big. Too strong. Rebound by Manuel.
Okay, bababa, tawid mo na!
To Peter. Figuera. Shot.
Sila, balik ka!
Rolex. Pass to Padua. Drive. Manuel. To Kapusi. Kapusi attack. Coast to coast. Kapusi. 28 all. Padua again. Yes, on! Padua, 30 to 28. Back to 2-point lead by Hassel. Kabusi. To Gomez. 10 to shoot.
Nasa sa sak na pwede sa umuwi na. Pero sa sak na lang. Hindi na nga sa labak. Yes!
La Figuera. 30 all. 8 minutes. Foul against Gomez. First team foul on UAE. First on Gomez. (31 to 30). Back to 1-point lead by Hassel. Khalil. Oh, Khalil! 33 to 30, 3-point lead now by Hassel. La Figuera to Peter foul. Foul on number 15, Padua. First on Padua, first team foul against Hassel.
Lalim. Dapat sa depensa.
Nice pick. Foul. Foul on number 11 of Hassel. Second team foul on Hassel. Personal hood. Manuel. Foul on number 1. Third team foul on Hassel. To Petro basket. Awarded by Manuel. Personal sa palaran.
Apat na number 1. Yes.
33 to 31.
Again.
33 to 32. 1 point lead by Hassel. Baran. Short. Shoot again. Foul. Foul on number 4. 39. Peter. 35 on Peter.
5 minutes pa. 5 minutes pa, sir. Wala pang 5 minutes.
Second team foul on UE. First on Peter.
5 minutes. 5 minutes. 5 minutes.
Foul. Warning for penalty on Hassel.
Second on.
Score tayo, score. Wala
Second personal foul on Alhood.
Dua. Score na tayo.
Kabusi. To Peter.
Ay!
Too strong. Alhood. Steal by Peter. To Gomez. Kabusi. Yes! On Kabusi. Now 34 to 33. 1 point lead by UE. 5 minutes. Rolex. Padua. Foul. Wow! And 1 by Padua. Sa dito sa Deb. Sub rep. Sub. Foul on Peter. Second personal foul on Peter. 13 foul on UE. Kalir. Nice. 36 to 34. 2 point lead now against Hassel.
Basta matapos to, ganun lang score. Masaya to. Counter. Okay.
Manuel. Arbeñas. To Galatici.
Nice pass.
Steal by Peter. To Manuel.
Ayan. Kailan. Excited.
Galatici. To Padua. Black. Peter now. Wow! Peter! 36 all! 3 minutes 40 seconds! Our second deadline of the game, 36 all! Castro.
Good.
Foul. Foul on number 24. Sa dito sa left substitution. Gomez. Second on Gomez. Warning for penalty on UA. Again on number 24 on Gomez. Penalty. Penalty Tere, penalty. Third on Gomez. 37-36, 1 point lead now by Hassel. Time out on UAE. Two minutes 50 seconds. 38 against the 36 your score.
Nakatingin ka pa sa akin. Huwag kang mabili ng manog mani. Manog tao lang, Manuel.
La Figuera to Gomez. Gomez block. Nice defense by Hassel.
Kilang. Natulang na yung laro.
Wala Chuchi.
Kumunti ka na naman.
Dalawa na sila ng sak.
Pardeñas. Stop. Tukala Chuchi. Fake. 10 to shoot. Castro. Block by Manuel to Cabusi. Cabusi drive. Cabusi. 38 all. 2 minutes. Kalachuchi. Padua. Fake. Intercepted by Manuel. Looking to Gomez. 1 minute 45 seconds. Peter move. La Figuera. Yes, son. Time out. On Hassel.
Para ayaw na makapaka na, paupuin.
40 to 38.
Tayo na itong mapatay naman ang ilaw.
Dalawa lang, lamang tayo lang. Dalawa.
2 point lead now by UAE.
Lapit ng konti, ayan.
10 to shoot.
Hey!
50 seconds.
Nice!
42 to 36, 4 point lead now by UAE. Kalachuchi, 30 seconds. Wow! Kalachuchi! 25 seconds.
Akala ko naman walang ano yun.
20 seconds.
Last shot, boy! Last shot! Bagsak!
10 to shoot.
Papaul! Oh, di ka na!
5 to shoot.
Papaul!
3 seconds. Foul on number 11. Penalty. Anirudh. 3 seconds.
Relax, upusan na.
Third on Anirudh.
Yes! Kahit di ganun basta mahulog.
3 seconds.
Yes! Ayan!
Last quarter. UAE ball.
Tapos kayo dito, ano? Gomez, iwas foul ah.
Takbo ka na!
43 to 40. 3 point lead by UAE.
Ikot.
La Figuera.
Kuha!
Cadiz. Yes! On Cadiz! Gomez to Cabana. Cabana again. Back to La Figuera. 14 to shoot. La Figuera escape. Oksyon! La Figuera! 45 to 42. Back to 3-point lead by UE.
Kuha!
Bautista. Black. Alon Simbako. First team foul on UE. Third personal foul against Simbako. 45 to 42.
Box out! Huwag na kayong tumalon! Tako! Free throw! Kunin mo, shooter! Nice!
Gomez. To La Figuera.
Taas talaga.
La Figuera. To Cabana. Ayun by Cadiz. 10 to shoot.
Kaya, sige!
Foul.
Nice blocking foul.
Hala.
Foul on number 19. Nice defense. First on Hassel. 10 to shoot. Oh! Kako! Coming pass. Coming from La Figuera. 47 to 42. Khalil. Khalil. 47 to 44. 3-point lead now by UE. 7 minutes, 40 seconds. 3-point lead by UE. La Figuera. Rebound by Khalil. Intercepted by La Figuera. La Figuera again. La Figuera to Simbako. Khalil, rebound. Substitution rep, sub.
Yalla.
Stop!
With who?
Papasok na yan eh.
Chia, palabas mo.
Ay, dilagin ka kayo.
12. Sige, wasok yung isa. Hello. Finally. Okay, ready?
Kalachuchi. Cadiz. Khalil. Foul.
Bro.
Sub.
Hala. 22?
Foul on Kabusi. Second team foul on UAE. Second on Kabusi. Basket sub.
Yung pass break ka na lang, pre. Huwag ka nang pumasok. Tako, yung pass break, pre. Pag hindi ka...
Nice shot by Khalil.
Pwede ka naman maging
Grabe, bigo ka rin, oh.
Kasi yan, kailangan mahaba kang mga 4 minutes.
47-45. Khalil. Short. Simbako. La Figuera. Kabusi. La Figuera. Kabusi again. Drive. Attack. Steal back. Steal back ako. Tako again. Steal back Khalil. Kalachuchi. It's 2-1 to Padua. Too strong. Rebound again. Nice pass. Steal by La Figuera. Figuera to Kabusi. Kabusi now. Kabusi drive. Coast to coast. Kabusi too strong. Rebound by Kabusi. Lumay ka Tako. 5 minutes 25 seconds. 5 minutes 25 seconds. Kalachuchi. Left 100. Too strong. Rebound by Khalil. Foul.
Walang ba?
Alo na break. Dito sa rep, sa rep. Oh, Simbako. Kadis out, Kadis. Fourth personal foul on Simbako. Warning. Pardeñas. Oh! Pardeñas! 47 all! 47 all! Abusi. Time to shoot! Bang! 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 On La Belguera! 50 to 47 now. 3-point lead by UAE. Airball. Rebound by Simbako. Nice steal by Khalil. Khalil to Padua. Padua. Coast to coast. Padua to strong. Rebound by Kabose. Kabose to Gomez. Gomez. Gomez to Labarias. 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 In and out. Rebound by Kalachuche. 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 Yes, sir. Kalachuche. 3 minutes 40 seconds. 50 to 49. 1 point lead now by UAE. Time to shoot. Ah, Gomez. Foul on Labarias. Warning for penalty on UAE. Warning for penalty. First on Labarias. 3 minutes.
Isa dito. Sab.
Sabrap.
Figuera. Boy, lagyan na boy.
Pre, labas na. Kailangan kayo, huwag kayo mag-ano sa alalim, tatlo. Gomez, secure rebound na.
Padua.
Secure rebound. Go back.
Time out. Hustle.
Malapit na kaya.
Ball.
Why?
Lapit na.
Al-Jiji.
Okay lang yun.
Before Kalachuchi. Second on Kalachuchi. Second team foul against Hazel. 2 minutes 25 seconds.
Lapitan mo ka kunin. Lapitan mo lang. Sila. Counted yan. Purdeng. Cheering lang.
Bago.
Tara naman yung tila. Ano ba yan? O, ayan na naman, o. 14 pa yan, o. Baba!
Paris. Oh! Wala ba may Kalachuchi? $53 to 51. 2-point lead. Last 2 minutes. By UAE. Gomez to Peter to Kabusi. Drive. Kabusi stop. Pump. Wow! Kabusi. 1 minute 46 seconds. Kalachuchi again. Kalachuchi.
Kayo na yan!
Khalil. Kalachuchi. Time to shoot. 25 seconds. 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot.
Oh, 1 minute na lang.
1 minute 15. 1 minute 15. Sub rep, sub rep, sub. Kadis out, Kadis.
Nice boy.
Diyan ka lang sa sentro, pre. Diyan ka lang sa sentro. Yeah!
57, 51. 59 seconds. 59 seconds.
Iwas stress, iwas stress. Patay!
40 seconds. Foul.
Number 4.
Foul on number 4, Calachuchi. 13 foul on Hassel. 13 foul. Third on Calachuchi. 41 seconds. Fourth on Calachuchi. Warning for penalty on Hassel. 39 seconds.
Mananalo ba tayo sa kanigro? Yan muna tayo ulit. Quick-foul!
Foul. Foul on number 19, Pardinas. Penalty. 34 seconds.
Balik ko manigro.
Break, at isa lang.
Wala talaga kung rebound.
Isa lang.
Ako, bayad si Santa. Siya ako si Kirsa. Kahit nakalaro lang si Sa.
Ay, shot. Nice, nice.
58 to 51.
Kita mo lang tayo rebound. Mananalo ba tayo doon?
Nice, nice.
59 to 51. 8-point lead by UAE.
Tres.
Bang! 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 20 seconds! Penalty rep, penalty. Penalty rep. 21 seconds, 21.
Dos lang, dos.
53 to 59. 6-point lead by UAE. 21 seconds.
Yes!
60 to 53. 21 seconds.
Kaya pala hindi. Munok-mani. Kakain ng munok-mani, oh.
61 to 53.
Hirap kaya. Tres.
15 seconds.
Anong panalo?
15 seconds na lang. Sige, wala yan.
Padua, mga times padua.
Oh, kita mo?
15 seconds, 15.
Nilalabo yung farm eh. Galil, quick pass na! Quick foul! Uy!
10 seconds.
Anong foul?
Foul on Peter. 8 seconds. 61 to 55. 61 to 56. 8 seconds. One more shot. Ready, rebound. Five seconds. 5 seconds.
Foul on number 15.
Foul number 15.
Maganda pa kinami ko Rolex yung tayo.
5 seconds.
Maganda pa sana.
Wala ko sakit na tuhod.
Si Migo Abas eh.
Wala na.
Yes.
5 seconds. 5 seconds.
Baba na lang.
Uy, magpapugat sa
Wala lang tres.
Wala, penalty yan.
Hindi, oy, Gomez! Ay,